Hello, this is Rachel Lockhart, and I'm looking at the YALSA Young Adult Library Services Association page of Book and Media Awards as my collection development selection tool. I chose this because it's a site of book awards and book lists for young adult literature, but it also provides a lot of resources that teachers and librarians can use. So they have information on their YALSA blog. They've got links to their text source, best websites for teaching and learning, and information about library collections with their collection and content curation page. Now, there are awards. For each of the awards, it gives you information about what the award is, winners and honor books, along with previous winners and honor books, and you can even read the speeches from the winners. The book and media lists are really cool because they're like the top winners of different genres and different media. So they have audiobooks, fiction, graphic novels. But my favorite is the Teens Top 10 because basically it's like the Bluebonnet Awards, but for teens. So teens have an opportunity to read through the nominees that are published during National Library Week in April. And then they vote between August 15th and Teen Read Week in October for their favorite book. Then they publish a video of the top 10 winners along with a list of the top 10 winners. And you can view previous lists as well. And what I really like about this is it gives teens a voice to share what they think other teens should be reading. And then that allows them to take ownership of their choices and the books that they're reading, and will get them more interested in reading in general. On top of that, they have some other cool sites and links. They now made this Teen Book Finder database where you can look up information about books. You can either browse by award, book list, author, genre, or award year. However, or you can search, but it only shows you books that have won awards or have been on the list. So if we're looking at the crossover, which I know is one of my students' favorites, it will show you the book along with the awards that it's won. However, if you look up a book that's not won an award or hasn't been on one of YALSA's book lists, it will not show up. Additionally, they have the best of the best lists, which are kind of neat. And on top of being lists of the best books, they also give you resources like logos, top 10 bookmarks, spine labels, book plates, things that you can print out and put on your books or give to students to promote reading these books. They also offer seals for sale, like you can buy seals to put on your books, and information or contacts for their committee members or information about suggesting a title. Additional resources includes other book awards, which is really nice that they just give you links to those, especially for me. I am a pre-K through 12 campus, so while this site is excellent for looking up young adult books, I also need access to award winners and good books for children. So I can just click on the notable list for children and it takes me to the ALSC site and I can click on the notable children's books and go through those lists as well. So overall, this is one of my favorite sites because I love all the lists and resources that it gives. It gives you summaries of books. You can get annotated summaries of the award winners to allow you to see if it's a good fit for your school and your student population. And with the awards, it also gives readers' choice lists, which again really gives the students a voice in what they think people should be reading. The only downfall, as I stated, I'm a pre-K through 12 campus, so it's really only beneficial for a portion of my population. However, because it provides links to other resources, I find that it's well worth the use and the information. So I suggest you use the YALSA site to find some great books for your library.